we're in the Audi S3, it's got engine light on. That's the MOT fail. MOT is so pointless. You can pass one day and then it'll fail the next day, but it's passed for the year. And worst case, you can pass it without even leaving your driveway if you know, you know. As for the boot lid, they don't close. There's a dent in the roof, and my man was about to take it to Audi. I told him to kick the roof. Am I lying, boys? Just get you and the gang together, start punching up the car. Oh, suck your mum. Should I just drive in limp mode? Health and safety. Oh, shit. Fuck, man.
Genuinely, it hasn't happened until you sang.
Don't say that. That's you lot and your black magic. You done something to me, innit? Yeah, you lot set me up. You lot are a rental company. I set me up with a shitty throttle body, and now I've got to pay 300-400 quid. That's a deposit scam. Imagine that actually happened on a hire car. You're a deposit scammer. I knew it when I saw the glasses and hair. And you said you work in tech engineering. you're a scammer. Okay. See that gutter there? I'm going round, man. I ain't trying to split your tire or bruise your alloy. Why is she walking like she got a wooden leg? You see her? She's going in limp mode. WeChat, yeah? That how you move in China, encryption.
I got all the methods. I get you rims as well if you want half price.
Rims for half price?
I got a guy that...
Yeah, I don't really swing that way, bro. What are you on about?
Like rims in it, bro, for your car.
Oh, I look.
What are you thinking, bro?
Oh yeah, I forgot I'm a car channel, innit? Oh yeah, rims in it.
I got a guy that will do your GCSEs as well.
Yeah, shout him. Mrs. needs it. The Porsche behind wants some, but he can't have any because there's bloody Mercedes in front.
Yo, he wants it, bro.
To be honest, yeah, he's probably got the same power as us, but he's heavier, innit? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we've like lost our weight. He's gone straight. Oh, come on, man. Yo, man. Sorry, cuz. They come out of nowhere, innit?
It's calm. Worst case, we would have wrote it off, but it would be good for the content.
Nah, allow it. You keep mentioning writing off. This is why shit keeps happening. We've got to drive sensible. I've got to go that way. Yo, the throttle's lagging, you know.
Yeah, there's something wrong with the throttle.
This car's weird. It only drives properly when you got your foot to the floor. But when you got it halfway, then it's not doing what I wanted to do. That's bad. I'd always appreciate this car here, you know. This is a bad boy car.
Bro, he's got upgraded screen as well.
He's got the same screen as us.
Fucking hell, bro.
Yeah, we got him. Light's gone red already, man. Look, we always have this issue, you know. Oh, he's gapped us. Ah. Oh, allow it. Now it looks like a stalled.
Bro stalled the
Man stalled the DSG. I thought he was going to go into the traffic light. It's going to go in limp mode and everyone's going to watch. It's going to be so embarrassing because you got a balaclava for me.
Yeah, just keep it in fucking launch control always, bro.
Launch into what? The traffic light?
Now, genuinely though, it doesn't ever go it doesn't ever go into
No, it does. It always goes into limp mode.
You've done something to the...
What have I done? I was driving with you.
Lights on, bro.
One light and the indicator lights on, which you don't usually see. The car is going to leave me today in better condition than what you bought it in.
You're carbon cleaning, bro. That's what you've done.
This one, yeah, I'm carbon cleaning. I like that one. The carbon cleaning. Because I've not even moved off.
Bro, you know what the best thing to do is? When you're at a traffic light, just turn it off.
What, you trying to save the planet off? This is a problem with red lights. In a diesel, your DPF gets blocked. In your S3, your car turn off. Traffic lights are a waste of time.
In a Yaris, then you're chilling, bro.
I think it's actually got a disability.
It's got learning difficulties, man.
It's got learning difficulty. It needs extra time. Oh, there's traffic. Now we're gonna go in. Should I turn it off? Oh no, the light's gone red. I need to turn the car off, bro.
It's gonna fuck my styling, man.
What do you want me to do? The car's shagged anyway. You're going to try and hold me responsible?
It wasn't even shagged until you got into it, G.
No, don't say that. You're making me feel bad. Yeah, but what have I done that you wouldn't have done? Cause let's be honest.
I don't know, bro. It's just your aura, man. You're chilling. Just throw it.
How was it telling me what the red line is? That. It's because we keep stopping, innit?
Yeah. That's menace to society.
Sorry, cause nearly sent you through the window.
Spine.
You can't park there, man.
Nah, I always like it there.
The thing is, I like how you can turn it off as well. Because now it's actually quite a quiet car and it's quite impressive. And my mum would approve.
Yeah.
But back then, it's like, you know what I mean? No one would approve. Even you bloody knew. Lucky you got fluffy hair. You wouldn't have had a bruise on your head. Oh, not now, man. I've got a limp. I'm gonna hit limp mode. I'm surprised you've not had Megatronic problem yet.
Nah,
Gearbox thing. They always get that.
Don't say that.
Who'd you bite off a white man?
Nah, Pakistani, bro.
Oh, shit.
It's got the papers.
You like do it to yourself. Now, to be honest, you probably got one of the cheaper issues to have. I'm saying we get out of the city centre because your car keeps going to sleep. You know that disease that you get when you laugh and you fall asleep? Your car's got that. Tourette's or something.
Nah, not Tourette's, bro.
Why'd you both laugh at that? What's wrong with Tourette's? That's when you start just chatting shit, innit?
Yeah,
Yo, you fucking twat.
Yeah, it's that twitchy.
You prick. You fucking fat cunt.
You say
Oh, you son of a
son of a
No, because he's going to think I'm a twat, but I can't even...
That's a crazy insult in the car.
No, we're making up for lost time, innit?
I think Broski is trying to write you off today.
Nah, it's got Howdex, so you're fine, trust me. That's what that's for, cause that means you got a good car. Genuinely,
Yeah.
I swear to God, that means underneath your car's fine.
good.
Like, I do prefer the Golf interior, but this is fine. I don't really care about the interior. Yo, I'm just trying to have a chat and...
Then afterwards, a couple of days later, it's like,
She's still running for... She thought AK-47's going on. She can shut up, bro. It's not even my car. Why are you having a go at me? It's my man's car. Have a go at him. Oh, you got good brakes.
brakes are good, innit?
Brakes are hard.
proper.
I thought they'd be hot by now. This is some budget POV drive. That's quite a nice sound. I don't know, it's getting to my head a bit though.
It's a bit asphalt, man.
I don't mind it as much as I thought I would.
It's not bad, yeah. It's not like those purple tunes, you know, that like...
What, when there's just straight bang, 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 bang,
Yeah,
bang?
when it's just fucking like you're going like 10 miles per hour, bro, and it's just fucking...
That's 10 miles an hour, mate. These brakes hold up well, you know.
Good, yeah. When you warm them up, they're proper. They're street racing brakes. Shit's expensive though. Full brake service on this is like £800-900.
Don't worry, I won't graze them. You sure you don't want chicken rice box, hamburger, cheeseburger, lettuce, tomato?
You don't eat then, how can I eat?
Fuck, you watch me eat then, innit? I'm about to do a mukbang for you lot then.
Can't clean up.
Sorry man, I didn't underestimate how close the street was. Cool, look, you gotta time it right. Oh, you saw, what the
fuck?
There's no, another.
Yo, nah, bro's actually fucked the car now, I think.
Nah, it's because I weren't using the throttle, innit?
Yeah.
The clutch was disengaged. Okay, cool, we haven't patched it. Nah, man, look, don't stress yourself. I can see you stressed, don't stress yourself.
Bro,
look.
Nah, genuinely, I ain't stressed, cause...
Nah, genuinely you're stressed, cause when you're driving home, it's gonna take you 3 hours.
It's gonna take me 3 hours, yeah. That's partially your fault, but it's okay.
That's not my fault. I've got it all on record, bruv. You told me at the start the throttle body's fucked, and then you told me to do what I want with the car. Yeah, see, look.
Just boot it for the next ones as well.
Nah, I can't, there's camera, man. Oh, well, the other ones are gone. Yo, why is there 3 sets of traffic lights in like the space of 1 meter? Okay, you need to go. Come on, you go forward and set off that light, turn it green, and then we go as well. It's teamwork here. Go on, safe, man, bro.
Roads, the roads. Just let it cool down a bit.
You know when you drive like that, you're supposed to keep the car on for a bit.
Oh yeah, no, yeah.
But then again, I don't want to.
No, yeah, let the focus.
I'm gonna hop out 'cause I'm hot.